morning. It is very cold this morning, and I got my heater all ready last night before I went to bed, but I forgot. I'm plugged into shore power, and all I have to do is turn my heater on. And instead of this coffee filter, I use this one. And instead of pour over coffee, all I have to do is fill her up and flip a button.
You've already had your brekkie. You don't get a second one. It's hard to understand what I'm doing with your food, isn't it, baby boy? Ain't you, Charlie?
Good morning, everyone. Well, this is different. So yesterday morning, I made coffee, obviously, in my rig at our home base. And this morning, we are at Frugal's, and we are at her place in Texas. We have got to get up. It is the crack of dawn. And we have got to get up and get mowing and do all kinds of spring maintenance, which is the reason that we did a road trip to Texas. And yesterday we got to have lunch with Rachel Ray, the original Rachel Ray, her friend, and in Odessa as we came through Texas. And it was a very, very long drive day, and we have to push it for the next day and a half with this cool weather window before it gets too hot to do outside maintenance. And then we will head back home. But I just wanted to say good morning. Frugal Jana is making coffee for us so we can wake up. Finn, you want to come say hi? Come say hi. Oh! He's the only one that's boundy and awake. And we'll get this day going. And I just wanted to say hi, and I'm so grateful for my viewers and the supportive comments and everything that you guys leave. And I really don't have much because we're just on the run and getting this done, but I wanted to say good morning, and I hope that you have a lovely day wherever you are. I'm waiting on that coffee. Where's the coffee? She's laughing. And anyway, you guys have a blessed day. And thank you for being on this journey and on this channel with me. And I will get videos up again soon, vlog videos, I promise. All right, everybody. See you on the next video. See you down the road. Keep on keeping on.